Good evening, friends. This is time for trade review of 27th of Jan and trade plan for 28th of Jan. Now, I hope everybody saw my yesterday's video where I had mentioned, is the Nifty ready for an earthquake? If you haven't seen that, I think that could be very, very instructive. I think yesterday lots of people are saying Bank Nifty is looking stronger. We saw how strong Bank Nifty was. See, please listen to this video very carefully, because the issue is that unless you understand the structure of our market and the structure of selling, you will not be able to A, benefit from this downtrend, and B, avoid a speeding truck coming at you. So before we get into this interesting video, let me ask you to subscribe, like, and share this channel first of all. Second of all, what I want is that you should consider our platinum services and diamond and silver, gold, copper, etc., because these services are, at least keeping you out of trouble and also making you money. And we are planning to have a live webinar next month. So if we find enough interest, we'll do it. It will be with fresh charts and fresh sort of information, some of it, things that we have developed over the last few months and recent events. So if you are interested, please express that interest on WhatsApp 98710 or email at ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com. That is ASHWANI_GUJRAL@yahoo.com. Today was a superb day for our platinum clients. We made a lot of money because the money is made very fast in a downtrending market. So now, first understand what I am trying to say. What I am trying to say here is that we went up vertically, literally without any sort of major correction, pause, etc. Now what is happening is that initially people blamed it on the fall before the budget, etc., etc. Now for last couple of days, FIIs are selling. Today they have sold even more, 1600 crores. And what will happen in this kind of market is that if everybody stampedes out of the door at once, chances are we will fall very, very sharply. We will have many of these 200, 300 point days ahead as well. So let me warn people. Lots of people yesterday were trying to buy the decline to 14,050 and 14,100 is that great support. No support is holding because everybody is coming out at the same time. The market has a big momentum of its own, and I would think we are heading towards 13,700 as our next destination. So if you get any kind of pause or any kind of intraday rally, which I don't think will be more than 25, 30 points, just go on selling. Every day post 12 o'clock, you will see a collapse in stocks. Am I trying to scare you? No, I am trying to tell you a fact, because all these support, resistance, cuteness, that works in a market which is stable. This market has now been destabilized and bears have very strong control on this market. So the idea is that you have to go short on all rallies, or even if the market opens flat, you are going to see a fairly rapid sell-off, which is likely to continue for many days because the rally continued for many days. So for the moment, let's look at the S&P 500. Now, what was a local correction is now becoming a global correction. S&P 500 has gapped down and is showing you a decline. So what we want is that if a global correction also starts at the same time, then it is likely to be a double whammy for us. So this is how, as far as the S&P 500 is concerned, I would think next target here would be about 3,700, which is the 50-day moving average. On the Nifty, this has nothing to do with the budget. Obviously media will have you believe that if you didn't watch the budget, you will miss the event of your life, etc. They are idiots and they don't know a lot. They are only misguiding you. This market did not go up because of the budget, will not come down because of the budget. Budget is a punctuation mark in an overall sentence. So the next average you have to look for is 13,700, which is the 50-day moving average. And look at these four large bars. Chances are you will see many red bars, and possibly, this sort of selling will continue regardless of what happens in global market, which is not very positive as well. So for tomorrow, the pivots that we are looking for is 14,044 is the pivot point for tomorrow. I don't think you will get there. Any sort of rally to today's close, and that is also too much because right now, if you see SGX Nifty is being taken to the cleaners. SGX Nifty is at 13,920. So any kind of flat move or a 25-point rally should be used to sell into it. I don't see this going beyond 13,960. Bank Nifty again. See, yesterday I had shown you a weekly chart where the Nifty had started to show you a weekly decline. Now the weekly guys control this market. So the Bank Nifty, you remember these channels, I think next stop here could be closer to 28,000. Do not buy any sort of oversold condition or any sort of support that you may be told. Okay. Bank Nifty pivot is 30,580. I doubt we'll be getting there. Any sort of 150, 200 point upside should be sold into. The whole point here is that there will be no buyers, and a market that has no buyers will go on collapsing. So this remains the kind of idea that we are pursuing. FII is sold. What are their favorite stocks? Large cap techs and large cap private banks. Okay. Throw in a few mid caps, and basically you will see on a daily basis the market will come collapsing down. Okay. So the idea is that we will have a repeat of today's session. A bit of pause, etc., maybe because of expiry, but in this kind of tidal wave, I don't think even expiry will be able to help you a whole lot. So whatever you do, you don't want to sell, at least don't buy. Don't be that buy into correction mode and we'll see new highs soon. The market momentum is just way too strong for it to turn around tomorrow or because of budget, etc. Even if the budget is good, people will use it to sell because nobody wants to be left holding the baby. So get this very straight, and the idea is to sell, 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 use stops, and chances are that each time you sell, you will be able to make money. That should be all. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor and like, share, subscribe on this channel and keep coming back. Until next time, good night.